What's going on YouTube? On this video, I'm going to show you where the cue ball is going to go and how we predict the cue ball after we hit the object ball. I set up some simple shots. This one is on the first diamond on the short rail and also the first diamond on the long rail. The cue ball is a little bit slight off on an angle. That way I can show you which way the cue ball will go. On a follow shot, it's very important to know where your cue ball is going to go. On a follow shot, we always have that rule. It always goes off 30 degrees off where the cue ball is heading. So for this example, cue ball is heading this way. If this was the ghost ball, to pocket this, as you can see, it lines up. What we like to do is do the peace sign. And this is the cue ball, where it's heading after it hits the object ball and where that's heading, and I marked it off with a chalk. I set up another shot. This one is where I slide the cue ball a little bit off, and this is the ghost ball itself. As you can see, to make the one ball in the corner pocket, the cue ball has to travel this direction. So like I said before, this is the cue ball's direction, making your peace sign go over the ghost ball. And as you can see, once the cue ball hits the object ball, it will go to this direction on the rail. One of the most important shots you have to learn, and also in billiards, is actually how to do a stun shot. A stun shot is when the cue ball is actually sliding into the object ball. It does not have any rotation at all. So you would have your ghost ball, and to predict a sliding cue ball is actually when you have a cut shot. When this will slide, the cue ball will always go 90 degrees. So to predict that is which way is the cue ball traveling, put it over your ghost ball and make that little L sign, and you can see right over your ghost ball, that is where your cue ball is going to head into the rail. One thing that's important about the stun shot or stop shot, whatever you prefer, is having this object ball and the ghost ball, regardless to pretty much where your cue ball is set. As long as it is set to makeable shot, you make your little L shot. Wherever the object ball is going, put it right on top, make that L. Your cue ball is always going to head that direction. It could be from here, here, or even here. Practice these shots, because I think that these shots are very important, especially for beginners. You'll know where actually the cue ball is going to go, especially with the 30-degree rule and your 90-degree rule. Just remember, 30 degrees is your peace sign, and that goes with a following cue ball. The ball must be rolling, and for a stun shot, the cue ball must be in a sliding motion. Has no rotation at all. As long as you have a cut shot, it will always come up 90 degrees off your object ball. So I hope this video was informative to you. Just remember, practice these shots. These are just some basic shots. Next time, my next video, I'm going to be showing you what the draw shots look like, and actually how to do a draw shot and try to predict where the cue ball is going to go. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe me. Don't forget the thumbs up. Bye bye.